Alright guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're installing the Unity Performance V3 side markers. I went with the smoked with white DRL and amber sequential. You can follow Unity Performance's video on how to install, but there's one thing that I want to show you guys if you don't have some tools such as like a soldering or like liquid tape or anything like that. So I'm going to show you how I actually connected these and the benefits of why you want to connect them this certain way. Okay, so the first way, there's a few ways you can connect them. The first way is the way that they do it in the Unity Performance video, where they splice the two wires together, they solder them, and then they use liquid tape. That's fine. The second way is you can use some of these butt connectors, right? They look like this, and basically on the inside, each side is a metal conductor, and you would connect your two wires together, and you'd be able to connect them that way. The way I did it was I bought these Connect. I don't have my GoPro mount on me right now. I'm just using the camera. So I use the disconnect and connect male to female tabs. This way in the future, if I want to remove this side marker and maybe it comes out with a V4 or another brand of side marker or whatever, I can actually just disconnect and reconnect the new butt connector, and it makes it so you don't have to cut as much wire off of the actual wiring harness. So these two will just disconnect. And it was pretty simple. So you're going to connect your sequential marker, your sequential side marker wire into the power side of the wiring harness, and then the rest will go to the actual connector into your headlight, and that'll turn your turn signal on the actual headlight. Super short video. I'm going to do the other side, and then when it's actually darker outside, I'll show you guys like a video of how it looks. Alright guys, so back again. What I said earlier, again, there's a few ways that you can connect your actual side markers. There's a few ways. So again, one is this way, where you just, the cable just plugs in line like so. The negative of that is when you want to change the cable, you won't actually be able to unplug it. You'll have to cut the wire. So now I have separating wires, and in the future, when I go to change my side markers, I only have to adjust the one side. This side can stay how it is. I'm trying to minimize the amount of cutting of wire you do. You can only cut so much wire on this harness. Alright, another way is this type of connector right here, where you'll see basically you put the two wires together and you kind of push it down, and it just, I don't know, it kind of just cuts the wire. I don't really like this type of connection. I was initially going to go with this because I thought this was going to be this is a good way to connect it. It's just the negative of not being able to, the negative of having to cut more wire if you ever go to change your side markers, or say these break and I want to return them and get them fixed or something like that. I can always just disconnect them and reconnect them. So yeah, so you'll have this side in here and this side, and it just plugs right in, and I have the actual Unity side marker wire tapping into this side. So yeah, I'll basically just come in, plug it in. I'll show you the other side. It's all wire loomed up. Can't really let's see. Can't tell that there was any changes or anything. Again, keeping that OEM plus. I'm gonna do this side over, loom it all up, tuck it in, and we'll be good to go. Alright, what's good, guys? Gonna show you guys the how these look at nighttime. I'm gonna show you the animations for unlock, lock, give you guys a little cold start, and I'll show you what they look like when you actually have the turn signals on. So here's the locking function. You click lock, you see them scroll, unlock, yeah, give it a second. There's your DRL, that shit looks so nice. Turn the car on for you guys, but a little added, I'll give you guys a little cold start. While the vehicle is just on, you'll just have the side marker just be white. I went with the smoked with white DRL and amber sequential. So I'll give you the turn signal. It's pretty clean. You can see it, the headlight. It's like perfectly in sync to the left side, or the right, the passenger side. That shit looks good. Yeah. If you thought this video was helpful, just give a like, comment down below, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh wait, here's the let me give you the lock. Yeah. Alright, catch you guys later.